For making passport size picture, first you have to go to file, then open your picture, then go to crop tools, and the width will be here is 40 millimeter and the height will be 50 millimeter and the resolution will be 300 pixel, and then crop it, then fix the position of your picture, then press Ctrl plus enter or this tick option. So this is your passport size picture, and you can save this picture by go to file and save as, and the save as type will be JPEG. Here you can see many option, but you have to choose JPEG file or JPG file, and then you have to write a file name and then save. Now you can choose your file size, so it will be like your expectations or your requirement. It will be medium, high quality, maximum quality, like that. So then press OK. So like this way you can make your passport size picture.